Hey guys! In this video, I will show you how to download profile picture on WhatsApp. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, open the WhatsApp app on your mobile device. Make sure it is updated to the latest version available. And as all of you can see, this is my WhatsApp account interface, and here you will see all of my chat's history. Now, I want to download the profile pictures for this contact here. I will click on it. You can see that there is no option to save or download this profile picture here. All you can do is take the screenshot of this picture. And here, you can see that it also cannot take a screenshot due to a security restriction. So whenever I will end this video, I will be able to take screenshot of this. So because it's screen recording, so that I'm unable to take a screenshot, but you can take a screenshot of it by clicking the power button and the volume button. So this is the only way you can download or save a profile pictures of any contact you want, and that's it. So that's basically how you can download profile picture on WhatsApp. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.